Hello, my fellow traders. Hello, hello. So I want to share with you a quick view on a current market situation, on what is going on the markets. And I will start with my currencies that I personally trade. Okay, and the first one I'm starting with is Aussie. As you can see, well, it's 1 hour chart. We are kind of bouncing off the resistance area at 0.76313. These blue lines on the charts I trade, on the instruments I trade, are actually a session support and resistance lines I use. So there is no indicator to show them. I'm counting them at the beginning of the session. Well, it's all done using my kind of program written in Excel. So that's something what I do kind of almost manually. All right, so this is the first level to be bounced off. So possible selling opportunity here. So what we have to do, we have to wait till this hour will be closed, then place in the middle of this body in case if it will definitely confirm a bounce of this level, then we will have to place a sell limit order around this area. All right, the stop loss just above this resistance line here, which is 0.76313. Sorry about this, guys. Just had a call. Hopefully you can hear me well. Let me check. Yes, you can. All right, so basically what it is, we are going to sell it in case if we do have a confirmation with Aussie. Let's go further. Okay, it's Euro Pound. Well, just a second again. Sorry about this, guys. Just had to have a quick conversation here. Okay, so let's go further. It's euro pound. I was expecting it to bounce off this level earlier in the morning, which is 0.83228. Well, it did bounce off this level and it has broken through 0.83466 also. So basically what it is, it does show us a possible down move continuation for pound and up move continuation for euro in this currency pair. So it all depends on your trading approach. Two ways of trading is possible here. So what we can do is, firstly, we can actually try to enter it using this level at 0.83466. So just placing a limit order around this area. Or we can also wait till this day will be closed and then look at the daily signal in case if we do have a reversal signal there, then we can use it and try to enter it. So that's basically what we can do with euro pound. The next one is euro dollar. Okay, so euro dollar, interesting thing is happening at the moment. We are at the top resistance level for today. It's a counted level at 1.10887. And the possibility of bouncing off this level towards this area, at least at 1.10397, is possible. So what I will personally wait, I will wait till the current hour will be closed and the next hour confirmation. That's what I need. So after the confirmation, I will try to enter and catch a better price using limit order with a stop loss above this level, 1.10887. And this target, as I've mentioned before. So let's go further. In case if you have any questions, you can always ask on the chat window on the right of the video. It's YouTube. All right, so let's go further. So it's pound dollar. The price is going down at the moment. I don't really like how this congestion looks like. So basically, what I would suggest you to do is to probably at this time, it's not. Sorry about it. Okay, so at this time, it's probably a good idea to use a line chart here. So basically, as we can see, this support level here and the resistance area, which is structural. I will place a line here, but you must know that it's not actually a line, it's an area here. It's 1.3317 and surrounding areas as well. So now we are switching back to candle, my favorite candle chart here, and we can see that the area around this, something like this. Okay. And surrounding area around support is over here. Well, it's not hard to draw, actually. Anyone can do it. So what I'm expecting it to do? Well, actually, I do want to sell it, and I've been in short position. But to be honest, I cut my position. I'm still short here in pound. And what I see here is that breaking through this line towards the further resistance is highly possible, to be honest. So basically, let's see how today will be closed, and then the closing of this day will show us two possible kind of scenarios where we can possibly sell it, because as you can see, the price is kind of in congestion here. So it does look like a beginning of a sideways market here. So let's have a look at what is going on further. New Zealand, again, I want to sell it. Waiting till this level is reached, 0.7337. We'll wait for a reversal pattern around there, and we'll try to catch it with a limit order. You can also, even if you are using classic, I think that we do have a resistance area around that area, by the way, so let me try to place it around here. And yes, something like this. It's, well, yes, as you can see, the area is the same around this kind of level at 0.733. So that's what we are looking at. Let's go further. Dollar yen. All right. So for now, I'm still looking to sell it. I'm still in kind of searching for a better short entry opportunity. So what I want to see is actually a day closure around the area where it is at the moment, and it's better to be at the bottom here at 104.328, somewhere around here. Also, we can switch to 4-hour chart. As we can see, we don't see actually any reversal patterns at the moment. We did have it here, and this one was quite a good signal to sell actually. So in the middle of this red body, as you can see here in the right here, we did have one trigger of our sell stop order, and we did have another one, but the thing is that the price is not confirming a down move. So what is possibly going to happen, this level is possibly going to be triggered one more time, and if it will be very close to this 105.132, and basically for the Asian session the levels will be different, not the same one, not that much different, but they will be different definitely. Why? The answer is simple, because the price didn't move much anywhere during European session here. So we are kind of in a range. So that means that, well, the lines will be on the different place, but they won't kind of move too much up or down. Okay, let's go further. Okay, we do have something what I don't like in this kind of market. All right, so basically I wanted to sell it, and I sold it actually. I sold it at this level, 18.37125, with a limit order. And now I've closed my position, and I will tell you why, by switching to 15-minute charts, or to make it a bit more clear for you and a bit more kind of understandable. So let me show you the classic way of understanding the market and understanding the candle patterns, etc. So basically what is happening here? We do have a lows here, 1, 2, third low. All right, so I'll paint it with a different color, like let's say orange. All right. So what we do have here, we do have a false breakout. That's something what I don't like. So what it might be just a false breakout for this candle, for like, let's see, to catch someone who is trading like 15-minute chart, maybe 5-minute chart or something like this. Let's switch to 5 minutes to see if there was a better entry. So in case if I'm too quick, or you probably don't understand why I'm kind of switching in between the time frames, you can always kind of ask me any questions, especially when the video will be finished. You'll be able to leave comments, and you will also be able to contact me via the website at marenno.com. So I promise to answer any question regarding the subject. So if you have a question and you just need a small help, I will definitely help you. Okay, so that's what it is. So basically, those who were trying to place a sell stop signal here, they did place a sell stop signal, and they've placed, there is a possibility, especially if you were trading like 1-minute chart or something like this, at this high, there were stop losses. So basically what what has possibly happened here is that the price did go down, then it collected all the sell stop orders around the area, and then it went back to collect the stop losses around this one. So now is happening something about the same. So basically the main idea, well, when I'm thinking about market and when I'm analyzing, I do have my own simplified wave analysis in my head. Basically, it's approach I've created and I'm using it all the time. I'm just not showing you the markings like where is ABC or 1, 2, 3, etc. So if you are interested in this kind of thing, I can show it to you also. So we can do a special session regarding this one. So, okay, so the price is going up. Why? Because first of all, they want to collect stop losses for those of you who tried to enter short here, you know, and placed a stop losses above this area. So basically it's about intraday traders, like a hardcore intraday traders who are using like 5 minutes and 1 minute chart and trying to catch like 5 pip moves, etc. So that's what it is. So what we need, I need this price to close below this level here, and then I'll be able to sell it one more time using my limit order approach. All right, so let me switch back to 1 hour chart and let's go further. Okay, so it's gold. Gold is quite interesting at the moment. So basically, when we bounced off this area, I sold it. Yes, I sold it with a limit order. But the thing is that what I did actually, it was a placing a limit order at the middle of this body here. So I didn't, I haven't been triggered by this candle or this even. So just this candle I've been triggered. So basically I've closed my position in a break even because I have been expected. My scenario was that with the next hour, this one, I will be triggered, and then the position will go down to at least this level, 1330. But it didn't, so that's why I've started to trail not the stop loss but the take profit. So and with a very small profit, I've closed this position. You know, so the market is not too kind of directional today, so it's a sideways market today. Well, it's normally when we had a previous day of a strong move somewhere up or down, then we have a sideways market on the next day, which you can actually consider as a excuse me, you can consider it as a reversal day. All right, so basically, if you want, because I'm nearly finished here, if you want me to talk about the instrument you are interested in, so I'm ready to do it. And I'm going to close my broadcast quite soon. So just a quick one about euro yen. So we do have a something like a reversal pattern here, by the way. So I do expect this level to be triggered one more time, 116.50. Let me switch to 50. It's all because of the volume. Again, as you can see, I don't have a volume indicator here, but I'm always talking about it. So basically, if you want me to have a session about it, I can talk a bit more about volume and price pattern and understanding the price behavior around the major levels, basically. It will help you to understand the market and to understand why I'm using my approach here. Okay, guys, so I'll see you in 4 hour time. It will be after the European session will already be closed. We'll discuss what is possibly going to happen during the Asian session. And I'm glad that you are all here. Please don't be afraid to ask me anything on the right side of the YouTube window here that I can actually answer your questions. And probably, you know, sometimes if you're already in trade somewhere and you need an advice of what to do next, am I right or am I wrong, please don't hesitate to ask me about it. I'm ready to share my view on any instrument with you. Okay, guys, so have a very good one. Have a good trade. I'll see you in 4 hour time. Okay. Thank you very much, guys. Bye bye.